Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to create a Tradingview script using Pinescrip. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I'm not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to go straight to the point. So let's just jump straight into the video. Now the first step is to select the Pine Editor option. So you want to select the Pine Editor option from the menu, and this is going to take you to the Pine Editor page where you can create and edit scripts. Now the second step is to learn the basics of Pinescrip. So you want to learn the basics of Pinescrip from the various platforms, and that's going to help you to have a better understanding of Pinescript. The third step is to create a new script. So you can create a new script and give it a name. You can choose from various script types, including indicators, strategies, and alerts. And the fourth and final step is to write your script. So write your script using Pinescrip. You can use various functions and variables all to help you create your script. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Tradingview script using Pinescrip. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.